78 Independence Days later, let us not forget that India, that is Bharat's greatest strength, has always been its freedom to think, to speak, to dissent, and to question without fear. A land that is a melting pot of cultures, religions, and schools of thought. A land that has always welcomed philosophers, travelers, and mystics from across the world. A land where the Ganga and the Yamuna have flowed in perfect harmony. Where Buddha could challenge the Vedas, where Kabir, Mira, and Khusro could unknowingly mirror each other. Where Periyar could take on Nehru, where Ambedkar could confront Gandhi, and yet find the space to coexist with their different visions for Bharat. This is the land that has always rejected anything singular, where the quest for freedom brought every Indian together, where debates and dissent gave birth to our governing document, where questioning has always been in national interest, where patriotism has a thousand expressions. The land that has always fought tyranny, where the mightiest of forces could never break our spirit of liberty, equality, and fraternity, and the land where each time our unity is threatened, we rise as one voice and say, "We, the people of India."